but the lesson plan he can't recall. The student's eyes don't perceive the lies mounting up every fucking wall. Closure is well kept. I guess he fears playing the fool. Replacing students sit and listen to that bullshit that he learned in school. You're up, ain't my rope to swing on. Can't learn a thing from it, then we hang from it. Gotta get it, for weatherman. Like a motherfucking weatherman. Expose and close the doors on those who try to strangle and mangle the truth. Cause the circle of hatred continues unless we react. We gotta take the power back. Yeah, we gotta take the power back. Come on, come on. Yeah, we gotta take the power back. No more lies. Yeah. Take it back, y'all. Take it back, I take it back, I take it back, y'all. Come on. Take it back, y'all. Take it back, I take it back, I take it back, y'all. Come on. Yeah.
Caught you looking for the same thing. It's a new thing. Check out this I bring. The roll below the level cause I'm living low next to the bay.
Come on.
Turn up the radio. They're claiming I'm a criminal. But now I wonder how. Some people never know. The enemy could be the Frank Guardian. I'm not a hooligan. I rock the party and clear all the madness. I'm not a racist. Preach to teach the
Cause some they never had this.
Number one, they wanna run about the gun. I wasn't licensed to have one. The minute they see me, fear me. I'm the epitome, a public enemy. Used, abused without clues. I refuse to blow a fuse. They even had it on the news.
Don't believe the hype. Don't believe the hype. Don't believe the hype.
Yes, was the start of my last jam. So here it is again, another Def Jam. But since I gave you all a little something that I knew you lacked, they still consider me a new jack. All the critics you can hang on my hold the rope, but they hope to the Pope and pray it ain't dope. The follower of Farrakhan, don't tell me that you understand until you hear the man. The book of the new school rap game. Writers treat me like Coltrane, insane. Yes to them, but to me, I'm a different kind. We're brothers of the same mind, unblind, caught in the middle and not surrendering. I don't rhyme for the sake of riddling. So claiming that I'm a smuggler. Some say I never heard of ya, a rap burglar. False media, we don't need it, do we?
It's fake, that's what it be to you. Dig me? Yo, Terminator X, step up on the stand and show these people what time it is, boy. Don't believe the hype. Don't believe the hype. Don't believe the hype. Don't believe the hype. Don't believe the hype.
Don't believe the hype, it's a sequel. As an equal, can I get this through to you? My 98 booming with a trunk of funk. All the jealous punks can't stop the dunk. Coming from the school of hard knocks, some perpetrate. They drink Clorox, attack the black because I know they lack exact the cold facts, and still they try to Xerox. The leader of the new school, uncool, never played the fool, just made the rules. Remember, there's a need to get alarmed. Again, I said I was a time bomb. In the daytime, radio scared of me, cause I'm mad. Plus I'm the enemy, they can't come on and play me in prime time. Cause I know the time, plus I'm getting mine. I get on the mix late in the night. They know I'm living right, so here goes the mic sight. Before I let it go, don't rush my show. You try to reach and grab and get elbow. Word to her, yo, if you can't swing this, learn the words. little bit of the taste of the bass for you. As you get up and dance at the LQ, with some deny it, defy it, I swing bolos. And then they clear the lane, I go solo. The meaning of all of that to media is the whack. As you believe it's true, it blows me through the roof. Suckers, liars, give me a shovel. Some writers I know are damn devils. From them I say don't believe the hype.
Yo, Chuck, they must be on the pipe, right?
Their pens and pads I snatch cause I've had it. I'm not an addict, fiending for static. I see their tape recorder and I grab it.
No, you can't have it back, silly rabbit.
I'm going to my media assassin, Harry Allen. I gotta ask him.
Yo, Harry, you're a writer, are we that tight?
Don't believe the hype.
Now here's what I want you all to do for me.
Don't believe the hype. Don't believe the hype.
I got flavor and all those things you know.
Yeah, boy, part 2 bum rush the show. Yo, Griff.
Get the green, black, and red in. Gold down, countdown to Armageddon. 8828, the S1s will put the left in effect, and I still will. Rock the hard jams, treat it like a seminar. Reach the bourgeois and rock the boulevard. Some say I'm negative, but then I'm positive. What I got to give?
The media says this.
Red,
Yo,
black,
don't
and
believe
green.
that hype. They got to be
You know
beaming
what
that
I
pipe,
mean?
You know what I'm saying? Yo, the megas got them going up to see Captain Kirk like a jerk and they out of work. Let me tell y'all a little something, man. A lot of people on daytime radio scared of us because they too ignorant to understand the lyrics of the truth that we pumping into them clouds, that brain cells, that they're spun under them wooden skulls they call caps. You know what I'm saying? But the S1s will straighten it out quick, fast, in a hurry. Don't worry, flavor vision ain't blurry. You know what I'm saying? Yo, Terminator X. Don't believe the hype. Don't believe the hype. Don't believe the hype. Don't believe the hype. Don't believe the hype.
Šalim se, vraća sam.